Cool, so if you navigate to www.madgetech.com, come to products and go to software and go to USB drivers, and that will download this driver file 6.7.2.0. Cool, when that's downloaded, open the file and extract all. Cool, once you've extracted all, we want to go to run, more information, run anyway, yes, next, next. Cool. So the other thing to do is to the software. So we've got standard software, download, the file opens. Again, we just want to extract all. And MT4 and do the installer and more information, and we want to run anyway. English. Next. In this case, because I've already got it done, you would just install it. So I'm just going to go repair. And then finish. And once you've done that, you should then be able to open the software. You may have to restart your computer. I recommend doing a restart. And you're good to go. If you have any problems, give us a call.